Recording. Alright, let's try this again. I'm out front of the Yamaha shop right now where I'm signing the paperwork for my newly acquired bike. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet until paperwork is signed and registration's done. I can pick up my license. But I'm very excited. It's beautiful. I think the one that's on the floor is mine. I'm not 100% sure though. Okay, so what just happened? I have a bunch of, sorry, let me get the camera ready. I have a bunch of butterflies in my stomach right now. I just bought a bike. Something I've wanted to do for probably since I learned how to ride a motorcycle, the last 25 years of my life. I purchased a motorcycle. So the step now is they have to get it registered. And in Germany, it takes a little more time to get things registered, and the bike cannot leave the dealership until there's a license plate and insurance.
Thanks for watching episode 2. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along on my adventure of buying a motorcycle in Germany.